This tutorial will cover creating RXs on the iPad. Following this tutorial, you will be able to create a final glasses RX, create a final contact lens RX, and create a final RGP hybrid contact lens RX. From the Vision Exam window, go to the Refractions tab. Here, we see that a manifest has been created for this visit. Additional refractions can also be created here if necessary. If this refraction is what's going to be used as our final RX, I'm going to select the Add Final RX, and the new glasses window is going to open. The RX can be modified here if necessary. You won't need to document lens or frame details, as that information is going to be documented through the optical order in the practice management system. You can use special instructions to document any notes to your optician regarding this prescription. For example, if there's a certain type of lens that you want them to use, or a certain brand, or maybe a specific type of AR or transition, that all can be documented here under special instructions, and it will appear as notes to the optician on the practice management side. Once you've updated all your information for the prescription, you'll select Save. And that'll actually take us right back to the Refractions tab, where we are now seeing our final glasses refraction. In the upper right-hand corner, the Send RX icon is now highlighted in orange. So if I wanted to send this prescription right away over to the practice management system, I can simply touch Send RX to send that RX over, or it'll actually automatically be sent when I finalize my visit if I choose not to send it now. If we go to the Contact Lens tab, here we added in a soft contact lens trial. And if this is going to be, for example, a trial that we need to order, we could send that RX over to the practice management for the optician. We could also print it here if we needed to order the trial. Or if this is actually going to become our final contact lens prescription, we would choose to add this as a final RX. You'll notice it's telling us that RX is created, and now we're seeing that we have a soft contact lens RX. So on the first one, it said trial, but since I created it as a final, it's showing me that this is my final soft contact lens RX. I can send this RX right here over to the practice management, or I could again touch the Send RX icon. I can even print this. Same thing applies for the RGP hybrid. If you have a contact lens trial documented and you want that to become the final, you can add final here, and that will create that final contact lens RX. That will have to be sent through the Send RX icon. You don't have the print or the Send RX icons for the RGP like we did on the soft contact lens. So we did create the final glasses in our soft contact lens RX. If we created anything in error, we can also delete that information out. I am going to go ahead and select the Send RX icon at the top. You will notice that that turns green. When that turns green, that is just simply letting you know that those prescriptions have all been sent over to your practice management and are waiting for the optician in the optical area of the practice management system. If an additional order is created or additional RX is created, this will then turn orange and you can select the Send RX again. Thank you for listening. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Please visit our support community to view additional tutorials.